Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Remote Genius, the go-to place for all things remote work and job opportunities. Today, we are going to be taking a look at 4 work-from-home, online chatting jobs. If you're someone who does not want to be on the phone, because it's not your thing or because you don't have a quiet place to work, and you want the freedom to work when you choose, then you're in the right place, so don't go anywhere. But wait, before I spill all the details, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future work-from-home opportunities. Alright, let's talk about the opportunities waiting for you guys. The first job we're going to be taking a look at is Remotely For You. Remotely For You is a website that helps thousands of lonely Americans have a more meaningful life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. So, pretty much lonely Americans will be sending messages to fictional people on a fantasy chat platform, and your job will be to make conversation by replying back to those messages. And don't worry, they won't know who you are because you will be anonymous. You'll pretty much be chatting about everything: sports, the weather, dreams, fantasies, and other topics. You won't need any previous experience because they will train you once your application has been approved. You can earn bonuses by sending over a certain amount of messages, by recruiting a friend, and by working at peak hour times. It's fully flexible, so you can work as much or as little as you want. It says here they strive in paying their chat operators equal or better than other chat operating services. They pay weekly, and the payment is in euro through an online payment service, like BitSafe for example. And as an independent contractor, you will be responsible for your own taxes. Let's take a look at the requirements. Since you'll be sending messages, your written English needs to be really good. For legal reasons, you must be over the age of 18, and they will need to see your ID to verify. You will need to accept their privacy statement and contract terms. You will be responsible for your own equipment, so you'll need a device to chat with, like a PC or a laptop for example, and you'll need to make sure you have a good internet connection. In order for you to remain an active chat operator, you will need to send a minimum number of messages per week. Okay, let's talk about how much you can expect to get paid. A skilled chat agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 and $300 weekly, and their top agents make more than $3,000 a month. This will give you a better idea. So in your first week, you will be a new chat operator. And let's say you're only sending out 25 to 35 messages per hour, and you work 15 to 20 total hours that week. You can expect to make $110 to $170 that week. Now let's say in week 2, you have more experience and you're faster at sending messages, so you're able to send 35 to 45 messages per hour and work 20 to 30 total hours that week. You can expect to make $220 to $280 that week. And if you're able to send 45 to 60 messages per hour and work 20 to 40 total hours a week, you can expect to make more than $340 per week. The next job is at the Texting Factory. Just like Remotely For You, at Texting Factory you will be working as a chat operator, anonymously sending messages on a fantasy-based text network. So no talking on the phone or video chatting, only sending online text messages. You can work from anywhere, work anytime, and work as much as you want. They have some people working just 2 hours a week, and they have some people doing this full-time. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, you can expect to earn anywhere between $50 to $300 a week, but you can also earn more with bonuses. You don't need any experience, but you will have to be good in English. You will need a PC or laptop, a good internet connection. You will be working as a freelancer, and they pay weekly. You need to at least be 18, and they need to see an updated personal ID. It's a 3-step process to get started. First, you need to apply, and they will contact you by email within 48 hours. Then is the learning process, where they offer you online training, show you the platform, and prepare you for the job. Then, after completing the training, you can get started working as a chat operator. The next job is chat writers. If you don't mind the flirting, then this could be the right chatting job for you. You will be responding to flirty messages on an adult flirt platform, so you will need to be at least 18, and don't worry, you will be anonymous. The benefits are, you get to work from home or from anywhere. Flexible hours, and they are 24/7, so you can work in the nights too. They do weekly payouts, and you earn up to 0.20 euros per message. There are 5 requirements you need to meet before submitting your application. You need to be at least 18 years of age, good at English, and a smooth texter since you'll be flirting. You must own a device to chat on, such as a computer, phone, or tablet. You must be open-minded and comfortable with adult content. And you need a good internet connection. If you're not good at English, don't worry, because there are other languages to choose from. At the top of the page beside blog, there should be a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you can select your language from there. If you can meet those requirements, applying is a 4-step process. First, you need to fill out an application, and no, you don't need a resume. Then, you will need to verify your ID, so they know you're at least 18 and you're exactly who you say you are. After that, you'll go through a training process. Lastly, you can get ready to start earning. The last chatting job we're going to be taking a look at is TextKings. Now with this job, you can also choose to apply to be a phone operator, but there will be flirting. So if you're not comfortable with that, then this won't be a good job for you. If you are okay with flirting, just not on the phone, you can be a text chat operator. They have job openings in many different languages, but we're going to be focusing on English. As a text chat operator or moderator, you will process and screen user-generated messages by means of content moderation. Since this is a text chatting job, they require you to at least be able to type 25 words per minute. The messages are casual and erotic messages, so that's something to think about before applying. You will be interacting with customers via a private social web community that you can access from the device you're using. Most of the conversation will be of adult nature, so you need to be at least 18 and you will need to verify that with a valid ID. You get paid between 6 to 12 euro cents per message, which isn't as much as the other websites we've looked at. They have bonuses, and you can expect to earn between 100 to 500 euros per month depending on how much you work. You will be paid on a weekly or monthly basis. You can earn more by being a phone operator, earning anywhere between $15 to $24 per hour of talk time. Plus, you can earn bonuses. I won't get too much into the phone operator position because 1, I wouldn't see myself doing it. And 2, this video is about chatting jobs that don't involve talking on the phone. But you guys can check it out. I'll leave links to all jobs down below. Here's a list of requirements before applying. They expect openness to engage in erotic dialogue. You must be at least 18 with proof, a typing speed of 25 words per minute, your own device to use, and high-speed internet connection. You need to work at least 12 to 20 hours per week. You can work as a freelancer, must be open-minded with a good sense of humor. You need a quiet environment to work in, and you must have excellent grammar in English. Now here's what you can expect from them. You can expect a legitimate working environment, extensive training before you start, 24/7 support, getting paid on a weekly and monthly basis depending on the project, performance feedback, being able to choose your own hours and shifts, long-term project, and above-average performance-based pay with weekly and monthly bonus, and prize giveaways to their top chat moderators. I hope these work-from-home chatting jobs have inspired you to explore new possibilities and take the leap into the world of remote work. I know these jobs may not be for many of you, so I will try my best to look into other chatting jobs that don't involve any flirting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel Remote Genius for when I drop that video along with other work-from-home job opportunities. Remember, the power to redefine your work life is in your hands. Until next time, stay connected, stay motivated, and happy chatting from the comfort of your home.